a lot nicer today than on move-in day. Move-in day was a little rainy. Then as you see in my last video, right as we moved in, it was just rainy and pretty windy. But beautiful day today. Figured I'd take a little video of the gray wolf. All set up out here. All the connections, everything's been good. Just did a couple little improvements on the inside. Kind of finally moved in. Good little Jackie boy hanging out. But yeah, right? Look at that. Got carpets. Got a nice couch cover for the couch, just to help with the dog, right? All set up with the bedding. Nunu helped me put the big ass TV in here. It's a pretty big TV for a small room, but I'm not mad. Nice 42-inch. This blanket, man, was whew. I know Jackie boy liked it as much as I did, so yeah. Bathroom's all set up. Changed out the shower head. Big improvement on that. So yeah, just the little things. Having the little things set up was nice. Just a little quick touch-up video. Got the picture of Nunu on his 18th birthday. I took him to Hawaii for the first time. Got to represent the Raiders. But yeah, we're loving it so far. So far, so good. You guys have a good one. Just giving you a little look-see into my spot again here on the Delta. And we'll tap in with you during the week as I deal with this 150 mile a day commute. But it stays like this that make it all worth it for sure. Being able to come home to a nice little spot. Jackie boy. What's up, baby? What's up, baby boy? What's up, baby boy?